back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to continue on Stairway to Heaven. Alright, so we're going to get into the next section of the song, but before we get there, it does the same chord progression that you were already doing, but instead of doing it with just pick, it's a lot of do-do-do-dee-dee-dee-doo-doos. It's the same chords, and when you get to this double pluck, you're going to go really fast. So it goes. And then goes all the way down and all the way back up. Or I should say all the way up and all the way down. But you know what I mean, down this way and up that way. But note-wise, going all the way up and all the way back down. Then you hit that G string before you go into the next one. And same thing here. Ending with that G string. This one sounds like this. So you got a little doorbell riff in there, ding dong. And then the A minor. All right, so now he picks up a 12 string, but we don't have that, so we'll just have to make do with these 6 strings. So it's some goofy chords. You got your pinky right there, and then you got open G, you got your middle finger right there on D string on the 2nd fret. And you got open A. Don't hit the top E, the big fat E. So take your pointer finger and put it on the 1st fret of the B string, and then switch your pinky to the bottom E string. And it should sound like this. And so you do that chord, and then take your pinky off, and then ring finger and pinky both on the B and the E string. Hit the D and the G with it, and then a D chord. Same thing. Now you do a D way down here. And then this chord. And then slide that down to here, and then back up. Yeah, it should be good for today. We got a couple more parts and then we'll be done with the song. Yes, sir. Good luck. Good luck. It ain't hard. This one's actually pretty easy. Just the only hard part is the fast. The fast. It'll give all the fingers a good exercise. Good luck, sir.